Hi, my name is Mark Ambridge, Sales Director of Topcoat Specialist Coatings. We're standing on level 15 of the Auckland Victoria car park. Our last day on site, had a crew here for the last 6 weeks, and we've just completed over 2,500 metres of the Degadur Traffic System. The car park structure itself had some leaking water issues, considerable water issues, and the membrane that was on these two surfaces had largely failed. It was delaminating, which is the reason why the council wanted a bulletproof system, and the Degadur Traffic System ticked all those boxes. The works included removing the membrane surface that was on the asphalt and concrete, doing repairs to the surfaces, including cracks and filling up holes and divots, and then applying the multi-layered systems to both surfaces. So this is the top of the level 15 ramp, asphalt surface. The substrate has been diamond ground and bush hammered to remove the membrane. We've then applied a primer to the surface. All these minor imperfections have been filled in through here, as you can see. It's then had a slurry coat, which just gives us a nice level, even surface to make sure that the tissue will adhere to that substrate without any air pockets underneath. This is the tissue here. It's been adhered, stuck down to the slurry coat, and that gives us a really tenacious bond for the 330 membrane to stick to, and ensures that the substrate is fully waterproof.